How to get subscriber on Telegram channel. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to increase your subscriber on Telegram channel. So there are various different ways to increase your Telegram channel. So basically what you can do is some of the basic guide on increase channel subscriber is that first of all you can add members manually from your contact list. Adding members from a contact list is one of the easiest way on increasing your Telegram channel. Apart from it, you can also promote it on social medias. If you're on any other social media such as Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, or any of those social media platforms, from there you can go ahead and promote your Telegram channel as well. And you can also participate in chat groups, forums, and all sort of thing. You can also cross promote and all that. Apart from it, you can also collaborate with different channels. You can also join Telegram channel catalogs, and you can also get promotions in Telegram channel as well. And last but not least, you can also target advertising on Facebook or Google as well. And these were some of the ways to get subscriber on Telegram channel. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.